Textbook page 72. Page 72. And give heading as grouping data. Next heading is grouping data. Grouping data. Grouping data. Grouping data means a raw data is grouped in different methods for the next analysis. Okay, we have collected some data and we are going to group in different way to get an easy analysis of the data. Okay, sometimes if it is table wise or picture wise. Okay, so how we are going to group the data? Usually we are grouping the data with the help of a table which is known as frequency distribution table. With the help of frequency distribution table, we can easily easily group the data so that for further calculations can be made in very easy methods. Okay, so that table is known as frequency distribution table. And there are two types of frequency distribution. One is discrete frequency distribution and continuous frequency distribution. We are going to study about frequency distribution table. Okay, so first you write the grouping data you have written. No? Now you write this sentence. Right? In order to draw meaningful inferences, in order to draw, right? In order to draw meaningful inferences, in order to draw meaningful inferences from any data we need to organize the data systematically. We need to organize the data systematically. Now write frequency distribution. Actually, this data handling is not pure maths. Okay, it's not pure maths. It is a branch of science. You may be called statistics. Did you hear about this word? Statistics. Yes, it is a branch of science like maths, physics, chemistry. Statistics also a branch of science. Okay, so data handling is a part from statistics. So you are studying statistics with maths in the beginning. You are beginners of statistics now. So you are beginning with the statistics with as a part of maths. Up to 10th, you are studying it as a part of maths. Statistics also, you are studying as a part of maths. After 10th, statistics will be another subject, not with the maths. Okay. frequency distribution. Then write frequency table or frequency distribution. Frequency table. Frequency. Need to write on the board. Can you write? When I detect, can you write?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good. Frequency table or frequency distribution. Frequency table or frequency distribution. Frequency table or frequency distribution is a method. It's a method to present raw data, RAW, to present raw data, in the form from which one can easily understand if you are missing any word in between, you write, leave a gap and write. After when I read again, you can write that. Okay. Which
From
the
which?
form from which one can or anyone one can easily understand the information one can easily understand the information contained in the raw data.
Starting. Can you say from starting one more time?
Okay. Contained in the raw data. I will read, wait. Contained in the raw data. So frequency table or frequency distribution is a method to present raw data in the form from which one can easily understand the information contained in the raw data. Got it, all of you?
One more time, ma'am.
Jonal, read.
Can I read?
Yeah. Wait, Jonal is going to read. Wait, Fridi.
Frequency table or frequency distribution is a method to present raw data in the form from which one can easily understand the information contained in the raw data.
Okay, got all of you?
Ma'am,
Ashwin,
can you say one more time?
Ashwin, read.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Hiba. Okay.
Frequency table or frequency distribution is method to present.
Wait, slowly, Ashwin, because others want to write slowly. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Frequency table or frequency distribution is method to present raw data in the form which can
in the form from which in the form
from which one can easily understand
the information
contained in the raw data.
One can easily understand the information contained in the raw data. Next line. Frequency distribution are of two types. frequency distribution are of two types. Frequency distribution are of two types. First is discrete frequency distribution. Discrete frequency distribution.
It is frequency distribution are of two types.
Two types. The first is there on the board. Discrete frequency distribution. Second is continuous or grouped frequency distribution. Continuous or grouped. Continuous or grouped frequency distribution. Distribution. Okay. Now subheading give discrete. We are going to study discrete frequency distribution now. Discrete frequency distribution. Discrete frequency distribution. First point. First you will write what is frequency. Okay, that we will study. Right? After writing, I will explain what is it. Frequency gives the number of times. Frequency gives the number of times frequency gives the number of times that a particular entry occurs. That a particular entry or a particular item particular item occurs. Frequency gives the number of times that a particular entry or item occurs. Okay, now I will explain what is this frequency. Very important. Listen, all of you listen. Suppose in some exam, Elsa got 6 marks. Jonal got 3 marks. Afridi got 4 marks. And what next? Surja got 3 marks. Aidihya got 6 marks. And Gobika Shankar got again 3 marks. Okay. Now we are making a table like marks and number of students. Okay. So I wrote marks 3, 4, and 6. These are the marks. For these 6 children, they got the marks 3, 4, and 6. And how many of these got 3 marks? How many students got 3 marks?
3 students.
3 students got 3 marks. And how many of them got 4 marks?
1
student. And how many of them got 6 marks?
2 students.
Okay, 2 got 6 marks. 1 student got 4 marks. And 3 of them got 3 marks. This is known as frequency. This is frequency. Frequency is the number of, gives the number that a particular entry, here the particular entries are 3, 4 and 6. A particular item may be marked, maybe some about some balls, flowers, anything. A particular entry or particular item repeats. How many times that particular entry? Here 3. Here 3 repeats 3 times. So frequency of 3 is 3. And frequency of 1 is, frequency of 4 is 4 repeats 1, only once. And 6 repeats twice. So frequency of 6 is, frequency of 6 is 2. Is it clear what is frequency? Frequency is the number of times that a particular item or particular entry occurs. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. We will study in detail this frequency. Don't worry, it will come again. And okay. Now, frequency distribution, then you write the construction of frequency distribution, the construction of, as a point, the construction of frequency distribution, construction of frequency distribution, the construction of frequency distribution, discrete frequency distribution, the construction of discrete frequency distribution is done by the use of, is done by the use of tally marks. I think you have studied tally marks last year, putting tally marks.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, with the help of the use of tally marks. With the help of tally marks. Okay. Now we are
Can you repeat the last sentence?
last sentence. Nasreen, repeat it.
Yes, ma'am. The discrete frequency distribution is done by the use of tally marks.
Got it? Okay. Now we are going to construct a discrete frequency distribution table. So first question, construct a discrete frequency distribution table. Construct discrete frequency distribution table.
Every time we want to write a discrete frequency distribution table.
Where? Question. Construct a discrete frequency distribution table. What did you say? I didn't understand. Our class is up to 11.
Ma'am, every
11,
time
10, okay. 11, 10, okay.
we need to write discrete.
Yes. Frequency distribution table.
Doing.
The number of children in 20 families is given. The number of children in 20 families are given. Number of children in 20 families are given. Then write 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 4, 5, 2, 4, 2, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, not 1, 1, 1, 3, 3.
Family 45 students, 45 children.
Ma'am, ma'am, in one family it's given 45. Did you should we put comma there or
comma 4, comma 5. Count. Total 20 are there not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. What is the maximum number of children and minimum number of children?
Ma'am, minimum 1, maximum 5.
Number of children, first column. Second column, tally marks. Tally marks. Then frequency. This must be a closed box. Neat table. Okay. Use pencil and scale to draw. Number of children are 1, 2. Possible values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the possible values of children. Okay, shall we start, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all of you listen to the board how we will do. First one, 1. First number is 1. So we will put one tally mark on 1. Second one, so this is over. Second one also 1. So one more tally mark here. So second is over. Third is 2. So we will put tally mark for 2. This is over. 3, 4, again 3, 2, 1, 1, 4, 5, 2, 4, 2, one more 2. So what we will do then? You have studied no tally mark. After cross, good. Okay, we will cross. Fifth tally, we will cross. Then 1, also fifth one. So we will cross. 3, 3, 2, 5.
2, 3 are there.
Okay. Now write the number of frequency. Frequency 1. There are what will be the frequency then? Count this tally mark and write 5. 5.
5,
2,
6,
3,
4,
4,
3,
3, 5,
2.
2. This is the discrete frequency distribution. Example for discrete frequency distribution table. Discrete frequency distribution table. Okay, now we have some examples in your textbook that we will do. Okay, page . Right question. Construct a frequency distribution table. Construct.
Ma'am, discrete.
Discrete, yes. Table,
So we should write that, right? Discrete also we should write.
yes. Construct a
Page
discrete.
number.
Construct a discrete frequency distribution table.
Page number.
Page number 72. For marks obtained for marks obtained by 50 students in maths. Marks obtained by 50 students in, not 50, 60 students. Marks obtained by 60 students in maths. Okay. And the marks are there in your book, page 72. You can see 5.3 grouping data. You can see the marks, 21, 10, 30. Did you see that?
Yes.
Copy those marks first. Without making mistake, copy it. 60 marks are there.
Ma'am, can you?
72, page 72. Twenty-one, 10, 30, that one.
Ma'am, which page, ma'am?
72, 72. Oh, this is grouped. 1 second, children, 1 second. Please wait. Please wait. This is under the grouping, the second frequency distribution, because there are so many numbers. So it's difficult for you. How many of you please cut? I will give the no, 20 is very difficult for you. No? So by 20 students is enough. I will give the mark. Please cut those marks because 60 is very difficult for you. 20 students in max. I will give the mark. Okay, sorry. And the marks are 45, 32, 26, 16, 41, 32, 44, 45, 26, 41, 44, 25, 32, 16, and 44, 45, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 17, 18, 20.
There is 21.
20, 32, up to 32. Okay. Okay. Now start preparing frequency distribution table. First you have to write all the marks, all the possible entries. Marks, tally marks, frequency. Write the marks. Least mark is
16.
16. Then Oh, wait, wait. Okay. Least mark is 16. Then which is the next mark?
25.
25. After that,
26.
26.
26.
then
32.
32.
then
42.
41.
41, then
44.
40, 44, 44,
45.
45. Okay, you can
45.
start doing Talima. You can start. Forty-five. Better after putting Talimor, put a tick. Otherwise, there is chance to making mistake. Need to explain how to put Talima? Do you know? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay,
Finished.
good.
I'm
Okay.
finished.
Okay.
I'm only 3 minutes left.
Up to 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 3 minutes enough. They closed. Here you can give what is the total frequency. Total. Count the frequency, then write.
Ma'am, should we have to put the total and tally marks also?
No, no, number, by number. Here, by number.
Okay, ma'am.
Frequency, total frequency only. Total frequency. Total frequency. What was the total frequency? Yes. The question itself, it is there in the question. Total 20 students. Okay. You can check whether your frequency is correct or not. In the question itself, it is given that there are 20 students. So you must get the total frequency as 20. Okay. And children, take page 71. All of you, please. Page 71.
Did you take attendance?
No. No, I didn't take. I will take a photo of you. 1 second. I will take photo of you. Okay. Page 71, you can see under organizing data. Page 71. All of you take page 71. You can see some subjects, name of the subjects liked by some of the students. Did you see that question?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You can do it as
Homework.
construct, not homework for the next period. Construct a frequency, discrete frequency table. Okay, children?